Hello friends, this is Eric and this is unboxing of Garmin Vivosmart activity tracker. It comes in a small box like that, and on this side you can see it shows the features that it has date and time, the distance traveled, the steps taken, the move bar shows how inactive you have been, and call notifications, email or Facebook notifications. This one is a large model. It only comes in small or large. There is no medium, and this is black in color. So let's open it. The whole box comes out like that. Warranty information, quick start guide in color, the charger is a clip charger. It's very different than any other chargers we have seen. The band, the band itself, it's very smooth silicone, and it has these two little knobs to push in. This little piece is to make this part not come apart. So if you put it in there, and then this will go right on top to prevent it from coming off from your wrist. We have activity tracker, the charger, and the quick start guide. And to charge the device, this is pretty simple. This will go right on top like that, so you can see it fits very snugly, and then it will be charged with a USB with the computer, or you can get one of those USB chargers to charge it in the wall. So please watch the next video for full review of Garmin Vivosmart. Thank you.